I can't shoot either. You're gonna do a step back. Hey! Hey! Go, 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 go! Hey! Hey! That's seatbelt! That's seatbelt! That's how you ride about the kid. He's out. LJ, you fucking walk like this. Seatbelt, bro! Hey, you ride about it. I'm standing right here. No, we're not. Hey! I'm gonna go with the haircut. Hey! Nigga. Gabe, can you stop the Edwards, man? Ew! No, bro, what the fuck? Again. I still better make it though. In what world? Damn. Is my head that bad? I'm calling all the fouls, alright? Out of bounds, out of bounds. Check out. Check out. I'm not subbing, bro. I can't play with you. Set it through. What?
Hey guys. Whew. I know you're all wondering what's going on. Basically, I'm at the basketball court. I'm here to test our Airless 3D printed basketball, which I'm holding. It's orange and blue. And the traditional basketball, which is a Spalding basketball. So, guys, we want to check like, is it the same having is the performance of a dribbling like Airless basketball and the tradition the same? I know most guys have been asking themselves like, if I buy these versus the tradition, I mean, what's the outcome? Is it value for money? And your guess is as good as mine. So I'm Kenneth Manina. I'm the founder and CEO of Umbaji by KW. We have our online TikTok store. We are designers and manufacturers of Airless basketball products and many others which you can find in our store. And today we came out to test this ball because we've been getting lots of inquiries, you know, like what's going on here. So the traditional ball, if you go to our store, it's gonna cost you like 45 to 50 bucks. This Airless, we in our store it's $150. So we have two sizes. This is a large size, size 7, and the small size, which is size 6. So today we decided to test the size 7, which comes in different colors. So you have the orange, we got the blue right here, we got black, right? So guys, on location today, we're gonna test the balls, and we would like you, your viewers, to let us know what you like, what's your preference. Would you go for this ball versus this ball, right? So the dribbling is the same. Alright, so I'm gonna bounce these two balls against each other and see which one takes longer or which performs better on the bouncing, right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Almost the same, right? Let's do it again. So this time, I'm gonna pick the blue one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. The decision, remember, it's yours, it's not mine. It's yours to make, alright? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now, the other test I'm gonna perform is I'm gonna put the ball, I'm gonna shoot the ball right there, and we will see which performs better, right? Let's go for it.
Yes, Alan, this nigga. He'll play some booga defense.
Oh, what happened there? Okay, let's try this, guys. Yeah. See, bouncing the same. It's better. In my own view, I feel this ball is kind of, in terms of handling, it's lighter. Okay, I know you might not agree with me, but it's fine. I'm gonna go and shoot the ball again, alright? Okay.
He just doesn't want you to dribble the ball, Gabe.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let's go for it again, right? Oh! Alright, let's go for this. Alright. Oh, we did it! Yeah! You want to do it again? Let's try. Oh, this time. The normal ball. Alright. Oh! Again. Miss it. Yeah. Oh! Yes. Woo. I'm actually doing it, but deliberately. Alright. Oh! Woo, that's good. Alright. So, guys.
Yeah!
Leo, give me that blue ball. Alright? So, guys. It's been a while since I played game, right? Okay. So, again, let's go back to our analysis of whether you should go for airless basketball or the traditional basketball, yo. So here's the deal. Umbaji is celebrating 1 year anniversary. So here's what we're gonna do. The first 20 viewers will go to our website and check out these balls. Will be the lucky winner of a free airless basketball. And I wish luck to everyone. And here's the deal. Remember, this ball is going for $150 and the size 6 is going for $75. So, but the thing is, as Umberji, as part of our first year celebrations, we are going to give away one of 3 of these airless basketball. So it could be you sitting watching me right there, and yeah, let's go for it, right? I mean, as always, it was a pleasure you joining me today, and we're so glad like you've taken your time to join us today just to test these balls. There's been a lot of controversial. Should I go for this? Should I go for that? I mean, just like a normal car. Like if you go to a car show, you're spoiled for choice, right? You can buy a Toyota, Mercedes, a Volvo. We all have different tastes, so I would say of the same for these balls. They're different than the traditional balls. They're durable, no pumping of air. See, you can see me through the ball, or I can see you through the ball actually. So it's very transparent. See that? You can't see me. See me, you can't. So no pumps. It's all weather, it's durable. It's gonna last you a lifetime. This, I don't think so. because I've owned a couple of these balls. I mean, for some time, and every other season I have to get a new ball, right? So if you look at the traditional ball, it has all this dirt and wear and tear. But these, I mean, that's history. No wear and tear. It's durable. It's airless. It's worth it. It's value for money. I would recommend this, not because I'm a producer or manufacturer. I would just recommend it because out of my basketball court experiences, this now I'll go for this any day. All right. So check out our online store. Oh, where's the blue ball? Oh. Okay, so here's the deal. Please go to our TikTok shop. Check our products. Check the airless basketball. And let's keep the conversation going. I want to see your comments. Send your comments. Send your reviews. But here's the tricky part. Unless you've used this ball, you're not going to be able to give us a comment because, what you're going to comment on, you need to use this ball to give us feedback. Feedback is critical, right? It's important. It will let us know, are we doing the right thing or not? Is it a ball that you would like or not? So go on TikTok, Umbaji by KW. That's the name of our TikTok online store. Check out this ball. Check out other products that we have. Actually, we also have our airless football and soccer ball. So go online, check, see, does this ball work for you, you know? And you know what? I gotta get a blue ball, right? Just give me a sec, right? Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I gave those guys right there, those guys who play basketball. You want to see how the ball works? Come with me. Guys, put this ball for me, please. I want you to like... Over there? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. That's a pure ball. Oh. Oh. Yeah. It's a good one. See that? Did you see that? That's not me. That's those guys. They're testing the balls. So we're gonna find out, like, whether they're worthy, right? Purchase us with them. Purchase the ball with us, and let's see what your comments or reviews are gonna be about our products, right? Where'd you go? Let's go back there, right? Thank you, guys.
Mom.
Oh. Oh. Woo. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, check online store. Let's get this ball rocking. Woo. Tama, nag-joke something. Guys, thanks y'all for checking out our video today. I hope you enjoyed, and please remember, these balls are available on our online TikTok store. Alright?
Mom, who said